In today's video, I'm going to share how to get free shares quickly and make money. Now, you do not need any skills, you do not need any experience with this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how you can get these free shares. This is a free app and they've got a promotion on at this moment in time. So what they're basically doing is they're giving away free shares, and these free shares can be worth up to £100. Now, the company itself, they're FCS regulated, so they're 100% legitimate and above board. They've had over 14 million downloads of this app. It's available worldwide, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can set this up. I'm going to show you my results. I'm going to also share with you some other people's results who are doing this, and we'll just walk through the process from start to finish. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So we'll go straight into this and how you can go ahead and get these free shares. Now, you may be wondering, why on earth would a company give away free shares? Well, it's a basic, simple marketing campaign. They're looking to get more customers onto their platform using their app, downloading their app, and what they're doing is they're giving away a little bit of money up front because they're planning on getting more money in the back end from lots of customers. Now, this is a very simple strategy. Lots of companies use this. Amazon use this, eBay use this, every company out there goes ahead. It's basically what's known as a loss leader. So they run it at a loss for a little bit, then they turn that off, and then hopefully by the end of the promotion they will go ahead and have lots of new customers and people using their app. So that's great for them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get access to this and jump in and basically get a free share. And then you can, once you've got that free share, you can simply sell it and transfer the money to your bank account. It's really simple, it's really easy, and you do not need to be like a trader or anything like that. Absolutely not. So let me go ahead and show you how you can do this and where to go and what to do, etc. So this is the company in question. It's called Trading 212. So how this works is, if you scroll down the page here, you can see it's the UK's #1 trading and investing app, but it's available worldwide. You can see they've had over 14 million downloads and they've currently had 40,000 reviews online, and you can get the app. It's available on the App Store and it's also available on the Google Play Store, and as you can see here, they've got really good reviews. Now, if you scroll down here, it's a free investing tool basically, so you can go ahead and start investing on here for absolutely free. You can see there's zero commission on trading rail stocks, ETFs, there's no maintenance charges, no hidden fees, etc, etc. Now, these are the sorts of exchanges that they're trading on, but again, you don't need to know absolutely any of this. You do not need to worry about any of this whatsoever. So you can see on here, everything is zero. So how does this work? Well, basically what they're doing is they're doing a promotion, like I mentioned, to try and get new people in here, and you can see on here you can get a free share worth up to £100. So you were invited to Trading 212. So basically what happens is you can only go ahead and get this if you're invited if you're invited to the platform, and then what happens is you get a share and the person who invited you to the platform would get a free share as well. So if you're watching this video and you click the link down below, then I will go ahead and get a free share and you will get a free share. So if I go over, I'll show you the app over here. This is over on the App Store. You can see current ratings, but this is basically how it looks. So you go ahead, you download this, and then it just walks you through. You've got to sign up. So it's the usual thing that you need to go ahead and put on here: name, address, phone number. The one thing that they do ask you for is your national insurance number, and that's because it's regulated via the FCS, so you've got to go ahead and put that in. But once you've done all of that and you've got this app downloaded on your phone, and let me just quickly show you over on the Google Play Store. So very similar to the App Store, but again, you can go ahead, you can read all of this if you want, read the reviews and see, you know, where they're from and everything. But this is a 100% legitimate company. You've got absolutely no concerns with this. So what happens is you go ahead, you download the app, and you can see it's installed. So I went ahead, before doing this video, I went ahead and downloaded this app to basically give this a whirl and see what all the fuss is about and see what's happening with all of these free shares. So let me just quickly show you this. Let me go onto my phone here. So, okay, now I don't know if you can see that on there. Can you see that? Hopefully you can do. You can see that it says in the middle £9, what is that, £9.44? Yeah, £9.44, and free funds for £1. I'm useless at this, aren't I? Free funds for £1. So basically, in order for them to go ahead and give you a free share, you have to open up an account and you deposit £1, and that's it. You don't need to invest any more or any less. It's got to be £1. Now you can go ahead and you can deposit. Let me go back over here. You can go ahead and you can deposit via we've got on here, you can deposit via bank card, Skrill, and there's other options on there. So the process of this is you go ahead, you download the app, you create an account. Now this is the important bit. You want to create a trading account. So it's not a CFD account, because you've got two options. You've got a CFD account or a trading account. But again, it's really simple. At the top, you just click on whichever account you want. So you want a trading account. Then you deposit £1 via bank card or Skrill or whatever options they've got on there for you, and then you get given a free share. For, as you can see, you get given a free share within 24 hours up to £100. So what happens here is, after 24 hours, they will go ahead and give you your free share. Now let me go back over here, and I'll just show you some examples of some people who are doing this, because what happens is I see people on Facebook and different platforms, they're all sharing different, money making ways that they're doing. So I'm always on the lookout for what people are doing and looking at results and everything, and then I go ahead and test it myself. So like I said, I know a couple of people who are doing this themselves. I know that they're making money from this, especially from the free shares that they get given. Now I'll show you a couple of examples of this. Some people I'm friends with on Facebook. So this is one person here. This was 4 hours ago, and as you can see, oh, hang on, let me just take this back up here. As you can see here, I've withdrawn £90 from this app, then £35 and £65. And also she got awarded a share last night worth £90. So that is one person on here. Let me go ahead and show you another lady who's gone ahead and done this. So this person's got £42 and 9p. So this trading site give you a share for £1. So far her share is now up to £42. And then we've also got, go ahead and show you another person doing this, because you need to know it's working, don't you? So here we go. This person here has got £231 on the way to the bank, £59 in shares, all from a £1 investment. So you can see the people are doing this. The app is 100% legitimate. It's really simple. It's really easy. You just go ahead, you download this, you create a profile, you deposit £1, and then you get given a free share. And then what happens is, the pound that you've gone ahead and invested, then they will go ahead and start trading that for you. So that's why when I looked on my account before, it was at £9.44. The £1 that I invested literally about 15-20 minutes ago, they're going ahead and trading that basically on the stocks and shares. So in reality, I could lose £1. However, they've given me a free share, and in 24 hours I'll know exactly what that free share is. So then I'll go ahead and get some more money, and then they'll start trading that. And then you can go ahead and you can withdraw that whenever you want. All you simply do is, on the app, you click on sell shares, it will sell the shares, then you transfer that back to your bank account or your Skrill payment, whichever payment you went ahead and whichever payment method that you deposited with, you will go ahead and get that money back into your account. So that is pretty much how this works. So the website is called, where is it? The website is called, it was Trading 212, isn't it? Yeah, Trading 212. But like I say, you can only go ahead and get given this free share if you're invited onto the platform. So in the description down below, there's a link. It's my link, and I will go ahead and get a free share, but then you will also go ahead and get a free share. And then what you can do is, once you've signed up to this, then you can go ahead and share your link with your family, your friends, whomever. If you've got a blog or a website or anything like that, or even if you have a YouTube channel, you can go ahead and share that link on your YouTube channel. And then you will get a free share, and then whoever you invite will get a free share. But let's be absolutely honest, you're investing £1. Can you lose that £1? Absolutely, it's trading. But on the flip side to that, you're going to go ahead and get given a free share, which can be worth up to £100. Now, I'm not saying that free share is going to be up to £100. It's just the slogan in it to go ahead and get you to invest. But basically, that is today's video. That is how you do this. But what I would say is, don't go ahead and invest anymore. You do not need to invest any more than £1 to get started with. What Trading 212 are planning on doing is, they're planning on getting thousands of new people to go into the company, and then they will hopefully get you to go on to like a bigger trading account where you start investing more money in there. But you do not need to do that. Absolutely not. So you go ahead, you download the free app, create an account, deposit £1, or whatever the currency is, or whatever the relevant currency is in your country, and then you will get given a free share within 24 hours. And then if you go ahead and share your link with other people, then again you both get a free share. So it's a really cool feature. It's really simple. It's absolutely easy to do. It's available worldwide, and feel free to go ahead and check out this company, this Trading 212. They've been around for a number of years. They're absolutely above board, FCS, etc. But I highly recommend them. But just remember on here, this is the account that you want. You want a trading account. So basically what this means is that once you've set the app and downloaded it, it will start doing the trades for you automatically. You do not want a CFD account, because if you go ahead and create and get a CFD account, then you will not get the free shares. But that is pretty much today's video. And also, I'll tell you what I'll do. We'll do an update on this in about 3 or 4 days and see exactly how this has grown. Hopefully it has grown. I'll share how much the free share was worth that I've received, and we'll just do an update on this in a couple of days. But that's it. It's a really cool and simple way to go ahead and get some free shares and make some essentially extra money online. So if you have any questions, leave them below. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.